Alright, so this is the first time that this sunbeam humidifier has been turned on because I need it in my room. Wow. Now I'm gonna fill that up with water. And these are the filters. Filters look like that, but I don't care because our humidifier for our furnace is not working. It's broken. So yeah, and I can tell by my nose and my breathing at night, and I can't sleep really. So yeah, all right, peace. I'll pause it. All right, it's full of water. So I say hot water. You fucking bitch. Okay. I'm just gonna tip it back to get some more water. And then it's gonna smell a little bit because it's been off. Making sure no leaks. So you can see the water in the filter a little bit there. That's why I'm pulling it back. To get more water in the filter. Put that bitch on high. Let this run. And then see what happens. Bye. Peace.